How to solve go-to-netflix.com to finish sign-up problem. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can solve go-to-netflix.com to finish sign-up problem. If you are encountering a problem where you are directed to go-to-netflix.com to finish signing up but you are unable to complete the process, then here are some steps you can try to resolve the issue. Sometimes browser cache and cookies can cause issues. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then attempt to sign up for Netflix again. The main reason you failed to complete sign up in Netflix is that you may have not chosen the plan. It's important to choose the plan and pay for the subscription before you create the Netflix account. Here in this section, click on any one of these plans you are interested in and then click on this next button. Here you'll have to add your credit or debit card or the PayPal account to subscribe for Netflix account. Once you do so, you'll be able to sign up to the Netflix account and resolve the problem with signing up for Netflix. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.